Want to turn your sketches into watercolor style at work more easily? If you are not confident in freehand drawing, there's a smart way to trace an image behind your canvas using the S Pen and make it look like a painting, all on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open an image you'd like to trace. Then remove your S Pen. Select Sketch to Image from the recommend menu. On the sketch screen, tap the three dots at the top right, and then tap Transparency and use the slider to increase the transparency. The higher the level, the more transparent your canvas becomes. Now, start tracing the image with your S Pen. Just follow the lines and shape. When you are done, choose watercolor as the style. And then tap Generate button to turn your sketch into a soft painted version. To make you easily see the result, reset the transparency level to the lowest one. Next, you can swipe through to see all images. If you like an image, tap the download icon to save it to the Sketch to Image album on your gallery. When you are done, tap the X icon at the top right, and then tap Close to confirm exiting this tool. So, seeing how this filter works, using transparency makes it easier to trace and create beautiful art, especially if you are just starting out. With the watercolor style, you will get a soft and artistic result, perfect for nature scene, flowers, or soft portrait. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.